Hi, my name is Roberto Stitt with the Stitt Law Firm, where we provide personalized solutions to your legal problems. And today I want to talk to you about medical powers of attorneys, and they are good once again. So if you have not kept up with the news, as effective November 1st of 2021, because of some laws that were passed last year, the medical powers of attorney were actually done away with. And so any POAs that were done after November 1st of 2021 were no longer effective. And so the estate planning community were up in arms about the law changes, but the legislature has fixed their problems, and effective earlier this month, Governor Stitt passed a bill that actually went into allowed the law to go into effect immediately with an emergency clause, so that any POAs that are executed right now are good, but it also had retroactive language. So if you had any medical powers of attorney that were executed between November 1st of 2021 and when the bill got passed into law, they're actually good. And so there is retroactivity language in that bill. So just rest assured that if you had any medical powers of attorney that were done, they're good at this point. So just know that, if your attorney has not updated you on that, you can sleep well at night knowing that those POAs are effective. Thank you so much. And if you have any other questions or any questions at all, just reach out to Stitt Law Firm and we'll be happy to help. Thanks.